once we make our way there, nice, easy forward fold. Drop the weight from the shoulders and the arms. If you want to do a little shoulder roll or a little neck sway side to side, that can feel nice. When the next inhale happens, naturally use your feet. Belly lifts to the spine. We wave you forward out through the pelvis. And then on your exhale, fold all the way back down. Use your feet, and on the next inhale breath, we'll rise all the way up to stand, your favorite way. Lifting the arms up to the sky, and exhale, forward fold. Sorry, hands at heart. Next inhale, reach the arms upward to the sky. And exhale, this time forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale as the hands ground. You can keep the right foot here. We can step the left leg all the way to the back of the yoga mat for a high lunge. Get a nice distance front to back between your feet. Drop your right knee right over the ankle and then push the heel bow down so you get strong on the underside of the right leg. Then push back through the left heel and unite the energy. Unite the energy of the right knee going down, the left heel pushing back, pelvis level between them. Wave out through your strong chest and skull. With ease, drop the back knee down to the yoga mat. Settle into your low lunge here. You can stay here or lift all the way up, arms overhead. The torso is in the same line of energy as this left leg, so back out of the lunge. So you feel the shoulders stack over the pelvis stack over the back knee. Unite that line of energy on the front of the body like a wave, and now come deeper into the lunge. One more breath in. On the exhale, let's float the heart all the way down and forward. As the hands touch, tuck the back toes, lift the knee off the floor, high lunge. Set yourself up so you're nice and balanced, buoyant. Reach the hands behind you and then roll up to a standing high lunge. Take your time to settle in. You're not going for depth, you're going for specificity of attention so that you can feel and become aware of each piece that rises from the floor, that is united as one. When you're ready, take the arms out, down, and forward. We're going to plant the left hand on the floor. We're going to step the right foot back halfway. Turn the toes open to face the long edge of your yoga mat, and come onto the outer edge of the left foot, side plank. As you ground down, lift the bottom, lift the right arm to the sky, and just try to work on uniting your left heel pressing out and connecting you all the way through the skull. Taking the right arm overhead, you should also feel this as a deep right hip stretch. Take the right hand down to the floor. Step the right foot back, plank. Get calm and easy here with your breath. On your next exhale, chaturanga to the floor. Tops of the feet down. You can take a moment to relax. And then we'll come on up to whatever back bend is going to feel appropriate for you. So a low one, and then use your fingers if you want. Come all the way up to a high one. Use your belly, your side waist pulls you back through the pelvis, down dog. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Feel how that makes your life easier. Do it again. This time, inhale, prepare to come forward. And exhale, you can step, walk, or hop until the feet are all the way at the top of the yoga mat. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Your favorite way to stand up, inhale, stand and reach the arms overhead. Exhale, hands at heart. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale as the hands ground. This time we'll keep the left foot up. We'll take the right leg all the way to the back of the yoga mat and set up for our high lunge. So first we just want to level off the pelvis. We don't need to pay attention to all these different things at the same time. So we want to take the left knee right over the ankle, dig the heel down, turn on the underside of the left leg for strength. Push your back heel back. Now see, can you unite the energy of the left knee going forward and the right heel going back? Now keep the left leg working like this, but drop the right knee down to the ground. Scoop the energy between your legs into your pelvis. Rise. Draw yourself back until everything is standing over the back leg. Connect the line of energy on the front of the body, and then come into your lunge. Paying more and more attention each moment. When you're ready, take yourself out, down, and forward. Ground your hands. Lift the back leg. Steady off the legs so that they feel like they can work together. Then reach your arms behind you. Come all the way up to a high lunge. Again, we're not going for depth. We're going for awareness of the experience. And all of the pieces of the back leg are the same from the last pose we did. And then let's take ourselves out, down, and forward. Ground the right hand. Step the left foot back halfway. Turn the toes open to the wide side of the mat. Come to side plank. I'm just trying to feel that the long edge of the body is united, connected. When you're ready, take the left hand down to the floor. Step the left foot all the way to the back of the mat, high plank. You can always skip this part if you want. If you want to go for it, take an inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale into your back bend. And then exhale, we'll move back to downward facing dog. Another inhale breath here, and an exhale through the mouth. Inhale, prepare to come forward. Exhale, step, walk, or hop until you're all the way at the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Your favorite way to stand up, inhale, reach through the arms. Exhale, hands at heart. Let your face soften, your eyes soften. Then we'll take the balance into the left foot just lift the right knee up in front of you. Maybe grab onto the leg a little bit. Find something that works in the standing form so you feel lifted, as competent as you do when you have both feet on the ground. Roll out through the right hip capsule a little bit until you'll start to feel the standing body stabilize around it. Take it both directions. And then when you're ready, place the right foot against the left leg, anywhere on the leg except the knee really, for tree, Vrikshasana. Trying to feel as competent as you feel when you're in Tadasana. Pelvis is held evenly from the right and left side. And it all starts really at the feet. How are the feet participating? If it feels appropriate, you might lift the arms up to the sky, change your gaze, or do something else. When you're ready, hands come back down at the heart. You can roll the right knee forward, release it to the floor, breathe and be still. Maybe close the eyes and observe the sensations. When they get really big, really noisy like this is the time to observe them. Let's transfer the weight into the right foot, this time lifting left knee. Once you find a stable form, you can start to take the left knee around in some circles, stabilizing the standing body. Take it both directions. When you're ready, out turn the left knee, place it against the right leg at some spots, and join for tree. Again, you can modify your pose any way you wish. Arms up, gaze change, something else. When you're ready, hands down at the heart. Left knee can come in front of the body and gently drop the foot down. Observe.